Given two columns, the list one with the functions f of x is equal to cos x, f of x is equal to log x, and f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4, and f of x is equal to e power x, and the other side describing about the graphs. List 2, we need to match the list 1 and list 2 with the codes, and f of x is equal to cos x, first one, and we can see that the cos graph, the graph of cos x will cut the x-axis at infinitely many points. The graph x cut the x-axis at infinitely many points, so we can go with an option graph cuts x-axis infinite points. So option A we can go with 5, option E we can go with 5, C and D is matching. And coming to the second one, f of x is equal to log x, and the log x graph, we can say log 0 is not defined, log 1 is 0, and log e value is 1, and here we can see the graph. We can see that the graph cuts the x-axis at one and only one point. Graph cuts x-axis in only one point. We can go with an option 4. So second B we can go with 4. So either this or this. And coming to the third, f of x is equal to x square. Third one, C, f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4, x square minus 5x plus 4. And if we see the discriminant, we can say b square minus 4ac, 25 minus 4 into 4, that is 16, 25 minus 16 is 9, which is positive. We can say that there are two roots, distinct roots. Which indicates that the graph of this function will cut the x-axis at two different points. So graph cuts x-axis in 2 points, we can go with an option 2. So for C we can go with a 2. And finally we can see that option D, f of x is equal to e power x. And graph is considered to be e power x graph as it cuts the x y axis at only one point. When x is equal to 0, it is 1. So we can indicate that the graph cuts the y axis at only one point, option 3. So finally we can say that it matches with the C, code C. We can go with an option C.